Skincare routines in 2021 would not even be complete if I didn't take a look at one of my favorite brands, The Ordinary. Now, they really have some great new products coming out this year and some reformulations of some of their old favorites like the salicylic acid 2% solution. So today I am giving you 5 of my must-haves in a skincare routine for 2021. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you don't know who the heck I am, I'm Chris, I'm a skincare expert, and I'm here to help you get skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do more harm than good. And on this channel, we talk about, obviously, skincare products, skincare reviews, we talk about skincare gurus, and we solve skincare problems. So if that sounds like content that you're interested in, please be sure and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are up each week. Now, it's absolutely no secret to anyone who watches my channel that The Ordinary is one of my absolute favorite skincare brands. I mean, why not? They're cruelty-free, they're vegan, they are minimalist in their packaging, a la carte, low-cost, effective skincare. Kind of sounds like an ad, but it's not. I really do love a lot of their products. Which means if I were in your shoes looking for a way to enhance my skincare routine without spending a fortune, The Ordinary is definitely a line of products that I would take a look at. Now, first up on my list is a product that is very, very popular. It was made even more popular by a few TikToks that went out showing people using this purple miracle in a bottle, and that is The Ordinary Peel Solution, 30% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. I just love this product. It has been a part of my skincare routine for almost 2 years. And the great thing about it is that that particular formulation is a professional strength peeling formulation, yet it's mild enough that most skin types can tolerate it. I have very sensitive skin and I've not had any problems with it at all, obviously. So the other great thing about this particular product is that it helps speed up cellular turnover, sloughs off that really microscopic dead skin layer that kind of gives skin a dry, dull texture. And it also helps decongest pores. So you're getting enough salicylic acid to actually go in and help dissolve those tiny microscopic skin cells that block pores and make your pores look larger and can lead to acne breakouts. This is really an amazingly effective product at such a low cost, usually around $12 in most retailers, and you're getting results of a $200 to $300 skin peel session at a salon, and you can do it from home. Now, these next two must-haves kind of go together because they're all about hydration, and it's a couple of enzymes that our skin produces in abundance when we're younger, but starts to kind of peter out as we get older. And unfortunately, after 30, we don't produce a whole lot of it, which leads to the extra dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, and discoloration that can occur. Hydration, super, super important. That is squalene and hyaluronic acid, two very important things that when we give them back to the skin knows exactly what to do with them and can make a huge difference in how our skin looks and behaves. Now, The Ordinary has a plant-derived squalene that delivers exceptional moisture retention in your skin, can prevent transdermal moisture loss, which is the evaporative process that happens with our skin when we're out in the environment, especially this time of year when it's winter in the northern hemisphere. And it can do all of that without blocking pores. Something that a lot of people have a problem with when using oil-based ceramide products. Now, they also have a hyaluronic acid serum. It's hyaluronic acid, 2% plus vitamin B5. And they use a patented multi-molecule complex, which means they use a lot of different types of hyaluronic acid molecules of different sizes that help deliver just extreme moisturization to the skin throughout the day. And again, for those of you who aren't familiar with hyaluronic acid as an ingredient, it is a molecule that can attract and hold 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So a very important thing to be applying to the skin. And we're seeing more and more of these two ingredients in more and more skincare products for an obvious reason as people move away from oil-based products. So then the basic benefit of hyaluronic acid is it plumps your skin, it smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, and keeps that skin hydrated and healthy looking all day long. Now, you guys that watch the channel know how often that I talk about the importance of adding peptides to your skincare routine. Peptides help strengthen the structure of your skin. They help boost collagen production and support elastin. All the anti-aging things that we try to avoid, such as sagging skin, sallow, dry, crepey, fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen plays an important role of that, and peptides help boost collagen production. I know that when I have clients add peptides to their skincare routine, they often see amazing results that really does surprise them in the way their skin's texture becomes much more smooth, fine lines and wrinkles plump out, and just the whole healthy glow that their skin receives. Now, there are hundreds of products out on the market today that are peptides, and I reviewed quite a few of them on this channel, but one of my favorites does come from The Ordinary, and that's their Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1%. Now, this product is unique in The Ordinary line, mainly because most Ordinary products are 1 or 2 skincare ingredients combined. That's part of their a la carte system of skincare. So this particular product has many ingredients, which is really unusual. Of course, that would be why they call it buffet, where they combine the peptides with probiotics and 11 amino acids along with hyaluronic acid to give your skin a full healthy dose of anti-aging ingredients plus moisturization. So this product is a little more expensive. It usually retails around $28, but well worth it because it's one of the few multitasking products that The Ordinary actually offers. Now, if you happen to be a person who has been using some of The Ordinary's products, please let me know in the comments below what your experience has been with them, because I'd really, really like to know. All right, on to our next product. For those of you who watch the channel regularly, this one is going to be no surprise at all to you that I would pick as one of my must-haves in my skincare routine for 2021 would be the Niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc. Niacinamide is another one of those ingredients that we're seeing more and more in skincare products because it reduces redness, it clears pore congestion, and it really helps with acne discoloration. So after you have a breakout, oftentimes there are little red marks or dark marks left behind. Niacinamide can actually help dispel that discoloration. So if you're a person with really oily skin like I am, or you're prone to acne breakouts, niacinamide is going to be a real friend in your skincare routine because it's going to reduce the amount of sebum your skin produces by regulating that. It's going to help with the dark marks, as I just said, with any acne breakouts that you've had, and it's going to minimize the look of your pores. So The Ordinary brand really is one of the most useful, flexible skincare brands out there. It's why it's one of my favorites. The stuff works, it's inexpensive, and I make no secret about how much I like some of their products. And so these picks are my picks for your skincare routine for 2021. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you today in deciding if some of these products would be a good fit for your skincare routine. I know they really are for mine. Please, if the video was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Give it a like, and also don't forget to tell me if you've tried any of the products from The Ordinary and how they worked out for you. Also, be sure to check out my videos that are coming up next, because those can help you find the perfect skincare routine for your skin type and help you get your best looking skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching today. You know I love you. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.